HICCTV Security Group.
How to get backup from your Tiandy NVR.
Welcome to HICCTV Security Group. Here I would like to tell you how you can get backup from your recordings. Just right click, go to the main menu, click on Tab Backup and select the channel you want to get backup. For example, channel 1 or camera 1. Here in this menu, nothing important to be changed. Just you can click on the mainstream or substream. Mainstream have a better performance. And on the time, you can click the time and for example 1 day, 2 days ago, or customize, you can select exactly the time, for example 2 to 3. You want to get backup from this actually camera, and just click on search and then put your password here. After entering your password, click on confirm, and then you have all the recordings here. You will see from start time to stop time. Anyone wants to get backup, just you need to click or mark it, and you can mark all of them or mark just one. And just don't forget to put your flash memory card behind your NVR to get backups to your flash memory. And then just need to go to the backup. After that, you will see your USB flash memory here, and nothing important to be done here. Just click on confirm.